Here's an update on the Mustang. Got the engine block and the transmission installed. Just mocked up in there, so that the transmission will have the right angle for when I order my driveline parts. Got the transmissions painted it black with Ford Blue bell housing. Got the master cylinder installed. This is out of a 74 Corvette. I got the front brakes working. They're all hooked up. The rear brakes, I had some problems with the calipers sticking, so I'm still working that out. I think I just got to lubricate the pistons a little bit more. So, got all that done. Also with the brakes, I had to lengthen the push rod by exactly 3/8 of an inch. So I did that so that the pedal comes back up to where it's supposed to instead of always being low. So I did that, and I got my new sway bar installed. This is a 1-inch sway bar. See down there, got brand new end links and bushings. Another thing I did is I started to install the windshield wipers. The windshield wiper motor assembly. I made some new gaskets because the old ones were all messed up and they were cork. And new gaskets were like 20 bucks plus shipping and tax and all that. Because they're charging tax now. So anyways, I just made my own out of some bicycle inner tube and got that one installed, but this one there's 3 broken off bolts, so I can't put any bolts in there. So I got to drill those out, and then I'll probably just put a little bit bigger of a bolt in there. So hopefully that will work out. Another thing I did was I got the wire wheel and went through this whole window channel here for the windshield and wire wheeled it all out. So when I get my windshield, I'll just put a new seal in there and then windshield will pop right in. So I did that. I also got some sheet metal here. This is 16 gauge, and I'm going to use that to notch the transmission tunnel. Since I'm using the Explorer rear end with the offset pinion, and since this car is going to be lowered a fair amount, the drive shaft is going to hit the floor whenever I hit a bump. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut probably about right here and then down on the floor there, and then just take this whole corner section out and weld in a flat piece just to go straight over this instead of having an angle to it, so that the drive shaft will have clearance. So I gotta wait until I order my drive shaft parts so that I can mock up the drive line and see exactly how far forward I have to go to cut it. But anyway, that's about it. Kind of a quick video. I haven't been doing a whole lot. I've been busy, but still trying to get these brakes done. After the brakes are done, then it's pretty much just finish up the little things and then build the motor. I did clean up a bunch of the engine parts. I got the pistons cleaned and the mains cleaned. So, and I did hone out the cylinders a little bit just to check them. Still got to get the rest of the rust out, but so I'm starting on that a little bit. But yeah, that's what's been going on to the Mustang. Have some more updates soon, hopefully.